What's up, y'all? Jeff down at Paw Paws in Picayune, Mississippi, and look at this new to you guys. Look at this shower. It is enormous. This is a porcelain toilet, and it's a 2022 one owner Palomino Solaire 242 RBS. That's right, rear bath. Look at this, guys. Solid surface countertops. Lots of beautiful cabinetry, electric fireplace, big screen TV. Like I said, huge bathroom, GE 12-volt fridge. You got the theater seating so you can be comfortable watching the game, doing everything. And then look at this space in here. Beautiful bedroom, lots of room, wired up. You could do a second AC if you wanted to. And then look, huge walk-in pantry. Guys, all fiberglass, aluminum frame. You got outside TV hookup, outside speakers, power jacks, power awning, LED lights, outside induction cooktop. Look at that, induction. You got the fridge, you got everything. Do not miss out on this, guys. It was $27. It is now on sale. Boom, there you saw it, $19,987. Come on down to Paw Paws in Picayune. Ask for Jeff. Do not miss out. This thing's gonna be gone before this weekend's done. Get it for a Christmas present. Come on. I'll see you soon.